Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. Today I'm going to show you what is in the August Your Creative Studios subscription box. I'll have the link below if you are interested. It's not an affiliate link, it's just directly to the website, and I have been sent this for free. I genuinely like it. This is something I would buy with my money if I didn't have an abundance of things, but I am so appreciative and I'm so excited for this box. But really quick, I got kind of a comment on the last video where I showed this box, and someone said that I should refund their money because they didn't receive their August box yet. And to let you know, I just received my box today. Today's August 31st. It seems like the boxes do go out to most people more like middle to the end of the month. I could be wrong. It might vary from where you live, but that seems like pretty normal. But this person said, you YouTubers with your affiliations and no responsibility for our loss when we purchase what you recommend. Buyer beware. Sad for me anyway. Needless to say, I'm not a fan of you right now. The only reason I'm bringing that up is because I want you to know that I do feel very responsible for the things that I share to you guys, and I know that a majority of you guys know that. I would never recommend something to you guys that I don't fully stand behind. Like I said, I get $0 if you go purchase this. I just am sharing it with you. I like the box, and I just want you guys to know that I get about 5 emails a day asking if I want to work with certain companies. A lot of them are paid sponsorships, and right now I work with one company. I think it's Taperlogy. I have Amazon affiliate links, which that's not really like working with yeah, I guess it's working with a company, but like on my own behalf. And then I get this sent, and then maybe a few things here and there that I get sent, but I want you to know that I pick and choose the companies I work with very carefully. Alright, so now that that's out of the way, let's hop in. This box looks adorable. And this company, like, I'm really blown away because let me tell you, it takes a lot to curate a box where everything goes together, but not to mention a lot of these things get made specifically for this box, and that's not cheap to do. So in order to keep the price down, I just don't even know how she puts this many things in the box. If I recall, I think the price is around $30 a month. I could be wrong. I think it also depends on if you do, it depends on how many months you do. I'll have like I said, the pricing and stuff will be down below. It's gonna depend. But this is a really cute little stamp. These stamps are really good quality. I guess you can see the print better. I'm gonna try some of these things out. I don't know if it'll be in the end of this video or not, but oh my gosh, this is a little bunny. I'm really excited to try these out. But I guess I just want you to know that she puts so much time and effort into these boxes, and I absolutely think that you are getting what you pay for and more. I've been blown away by, I think this is my 3rd box, and yes, I didn't have to pay for the box, but you guys see how much stuff I buy, and I feel like I have a good grasp on what is, on what you get for certain amounts of money that have to do with journaling. So these are a bunch of like craft stickers. I've had similar stickers like this before, and I've used them all up. I think they're really cute, and I love that they're on the craft color. So that will be fun to use. I love how it's kind of like a woodland themed kit. Now these are adorable. I think it's like a little paper pad. So today's my son's first day back to school. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's been such a weird day, but in a good way. Okay, look how pretty these are. Oh my gosh, has little mushrooms, a little stump, a little squirrel. I think this is cute. I don't know what to do with these, but they're so cute. Now, I've actually got these before, and I can't remember what site. Maybe it was Amazon. So there are definitely things in this box, which I've mentioned in a bunch of my videos. There are definitely things in this box that you can get from different websites, whatever. But like I said, then like half the box is actually like made specifically for her box. Like I would imagine the stamps and the washi tape definitely is. Maybe not every month, I don't know. I'm sure it varies. Like this washi tape might have come from a different company actually. Okay, so this is like a tiny little thin, it's so hard to show these smaller things, washi tape, and it has tiny little like branches on it. Oh, it's so cute and little. That's a perfect size, I think, for just adding a little bit of washi tape. A lot of times I break my washi tape in half because I want just like a very thin piece. Okay, I'm curious what these are. It says vintage tag. And, okay, whoa, you get a lot in here. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. They're all printed tags. These are pretty. They have a little hole. You'll have to, it's kind of like half punched out, I can see. So you could put some twine or something. Oh my gosh, the mushroom. Why is my camera not focusing? These are pretty. I like that you get all different. Oh my gosh. The mushrooms, you guys probably know. Gosh, what should I make? I like that, yeah, half of them are craft and half are like on a kind of a creamy colored, and that's not focusing. These are pretty. So it looks like the cream colored are kind of like a shiny paper, and then these ones are more matte. And like I said, I actually just got this in the mail like 10 minutes ago. Today, August 31st. So I've seen quite a few videos up within the last week or so. So I definitely think it depends on where you live for when you receive the box. I think on her website she did say that she ships out between the 1st and the middle of the month, but of course then it's going to take time to get to your house. You know, this isn't like a priority shipping, and I believe shipping's included in the price of the box, which is nice, because I mean it's not free to her, you know what I mean? So and that's just going off the top of my head. So these are just a bunch of different little tickets, really fun. You could rip them out and use them whole like this, or you could fussy cut. I don't know why my camera's doing that. So really fun. So a whole little booklet. I'm curious to see what it says lace. Okay, so it's like oh wow. It's not actually lace, it's like a sticker lace. That's cool, different. Let's roll that back up and put it in the little box here. See here. Dang, there's like 4 more things. Okay, so it looks like these are little faux postage stamps. And let's see, I'm gonna guess these are like stickers. Oh yep, they definitely feel like stickers. So there are a bunch of different stamps. I've never seen these. I like this. I like these because they're all different. So it really makes it seem like they're like legit stamps. Cool. Okay, a nice paper pad, or notepad I should say. Let's see here. This theme is just adorable. Look at that little chipmunk with the mushrooms. And I'm guessing, no, and that's the crazy thing about these notepads is there's different, they're not all different. I think there's like a few different images. Let's see, maybe it's 2, 3. I think it's like 3. So cute. Wouldn't that be fun to do a journal? I've always wanted to make a journal and then use one of her kits to decorate it. I just never have the time. Stickers, very cute. And you can see, so these stickers, it has her name right up here, Your Creative Studio. So these are definitely made for the box as well. And then you usually get some kind of like samples of, usually it's like vellum paper or kind of specialty paper. So let's see, this kind of looks like a handmade paper this time. Ooh, fun. Okay, so this is like, it looks like handmade paper, so I don't know if it really is, but it's very thin. So kind of like a decoupage paper, I guess, but it's very, very matte. not shiny at all. So that will be really fun to play around with. And you get 5 sheets, so definitely enough to make something with. And I can't wait to play around with this box, but for now I just want to show you everything, and I really hope to have some more crafting videos out soon. I think I'm getting back into the swing of things, and I can't wait to just start feeling like I can be very creative again. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. I'll see you later. Bye.